If you would like to become more effective in soul winning, I want to introduce to you the house-to-house, heart-to-heart School of Evangelism. This is where we bring the teaching and the materials right to your congregation. We have a variety of formats to fit what's best for you. We can do a personal evangelism seminar where we begin with just the basics, and we train local church members, elders, and preachers how to be successful soul winners. Or we can go to a full campaign, and we can do it kind of like a gospel meeting format, where during the week, we're going to preach through the materials. You might have conversions right there on the spot. Or we can do some advanced lessons in personal evangelism for those who've already gone through the program. If you would like to find an upcoming workshop near you or host a workshop, contact us today and sign up.